I'm Ed, president of the Decrepit's Motorcycle Club. We rescue old motorcycles, no matter what size, make, or style. The BMW R65 is a light touring motorcycle introduced by BMW in 1978 to add a mid-size motorcycle to its product line. The initial model, R65, was manufactured until 1984. This is my 1980 R65. It has not been on the road since 2001. 22 years after, we'll bring it back to life. It runs, but only in one cylinder. It definitely needs love. What direction should we take on this build? Brat style, scrambler, cafe, back to original? You tell me. First things first, let's take it apart. Alright guys, let's get something straight. I work out of a small storage, not a lot of space to work with. Just to show that this could be done. Most of the stuff that I do it either in my storage or actually do it in my apartment. I don't have a large garage, I don't have a bunch of tools. I just get it done the best way I can. Something that really surprised me about this bike is how easy all the fasteners have come out. Every screw has been very easy to remove, with the exception of one by the end of the video. You will see. Something I did not include in here was the removal of the pivot pin. Once the lock nut comes out, it gets exposed and you just have to back it off with I believe it's a 6mm Allen wrench. It was just too dark, so I could not film that. Vegetales. So, as I was nearing the ending of this, the day was over. So this here was probably the hardest part of the whole disassembly. You know what they say? It cannot be stuck if it's liquid. Okay, so that's it. It's disassembled. I guess the front end could be more disassembled, but it's a good start. Next step, we're gonna concentrate on the motor. We're gonna take it apart, take care of the dead cylinder, and get it running the way it should be.